Futures J 1K, man, back at it again, giving you guys another informational and educational video, man. So please make sure y'all like the video, subscribe, trying to get to 1K by the end of the year. I know we can do it, man, as long as I'm pushing out the content that you guys love and need. I know y'all going to do the same and reciprocate and hit that follow button. So without further ado, I just wanted to get on here and give y'all the truth about trading that all traders don't tell you, or most traders don't tell you in the trading space. All you're seeing is $100,000 made, $50,000 made, 200, 300 plus $1,000 made in one single day and one single week. And you want to get into trading and you think that you're going to be able to do what they're doing on the charts. But it doesn't work like that. I've been trading for about 3 years. If you don't know who I am, I'm Futures J 1K. My real name is Jordan, or Jay, whichever one you want to call me. I've been trading for about 3 years. I started in the Forex space and then I switched over to futures about a year and a half ago. So I've been seeing a lot of success like toward the middle of last year to now, to this point that I've gotten to. And I've been trading for a full 3 years. So that's how you know that trading is not as easy as it seems. Because when I was starting out, I was buying a bunch of funded accounts with a bunch of Forex prop firms. And if you come from the Forex space, then you know that Forex prop firms are not cheap. They're not as cheap as futures prop firms. If you want to get like a 100K account, it'd be around $400 to $500. So with that, you know, me not knowing too much about trading, I mean, I knew how to trade. I had the basis down. I was kind of familiar with how the candles moved and just the overall day-to-day basis on the charts. So I was buying multiple funded accounts. I got with this prop firm called Paradise Capital, and it was a Forex prop firm. They're not a prop firm anymore. They closed down recently, probably about mid last year. Funny how a full circle comes around. But yeah, I was with this mentor named Lano. He was a cool dude. He would trade every morning. You know, he would teach, show how he trades his sessions. But, you know, I was deep into the YouTube side of a bunch of traders in that aspect. So Lano didn't really teach me or tell me anything I didn't already know. I just really did it for his live sessions just so I could get a good feel. So he did help me out. He was offering live or quick instant funding for the prop firm Paradise Capital that he was with, because he was affiliated with the firm, but the firm itself wasn't offering instant funding. You had to go through Lano, which was my mentor, to get instant funding. So I would go through him. I was like, oh, instant funding? I don't even have to go through the challenge phase? Yeah, sign me up. So I can't remember how much exactly he charged, but I know it was different based off of the size. But I would get a 100K account. He would charge around around $800 to $1,000 to get the instant funding, and that's on top of you having to buy the account for yourself. So I would pay $400 to $500 to get a 100K account. Then I would head over to Lano to pass the account for me, which was another $800 to $1,000. And with my knowledge and my psychology just not fully developed, just blowing them all. Spent multiple thousands of dollars a month trying to get these accounts passed. I mean, trying to get a payout, honestly, because I couldn't even get the accounts passed. So when I heard about instant funding, I was like, oh yeah, well, let me just do that. So I'm paying for instant funding, whole time just blowing all of them, like multiple thousands of dollars a month. So you have to be able to have a strong mental, a strong psychological mindset to be able to go through and endure something like this. So I was doing that and I was just constantly losing. And then I ended up leaving Paradise Capital for, I think I just switched over to futures altogether. I know I tried a couple of other Forex prop firms that ended up not working out, never seen a payout. And I didn't see a payout until 2+ years after dealing with Paradise Capital. So just imagine the amount of losses. I'm talking about every day I'm on the charts. Every morning, every day, even on the weekends, I'm watching YouTube videos. Even to this day, when, you know, I've gotten a couple payouts under my belt, over $10,000 earned in at least 3 months. And I still watch YouTube videos to this day. I get up and watch my daily motivation, which is all of you should be doing. Should be watching some type of motivation to work towards your goal, to keep you motivated, to keep going, to follow your dreams. So that's what I do every day. Because if you forget and lose sight of the end goal, then just going through the losses, you're going to get brain fog and clouded because you're just taking all these losses. You don't know what you're doing wrong. And if you do know what you're doing wrong, you don't understand why your mind is not letting you fix it. So that's the main thing with trading. I know I say this all the time and probably hear it from a bunch of other traders, but your mindset and psychology is the #1 reason why 90% of traders fail in today's space. It's not the trading aspect. It's not the candlesticks. It's not the patterns. It's not the strategies, because all of that is easy. I can teach all of you a strategy in trading in a week, maybe less than a week. And you can just go in the charts and replicate it. Once you see the pattern, just execute, buy or sell. But that's not the case. It's your mindset when it comes down to it. Because you can get into a trade, you have your stop loss, take profit set, and you realize, oh, well, once you get into a trade, it starts going down a little bit towards your stop loss. You're like, oh, I'm getting scared. It's going to go down. I'm going to lose. I don't want to lose all this money. And then you get out of that trade for a small loss. And as soon as you get out, it turns around, goes straight to your TP. So you're like, oh my gosh, bro. So it hits your TP. You lose all the money that you thought you could have made, and you took a loss because you were scared that the trade wasn't going to play out. So when that trade goes to TP, you're like, yeah, let me get in because I need to make that money. That money, I deserve that money. So I'm going to get into the market. I'm going to take a sell, drive it back down. And that way I can make my money back that I deserve from the trade that I missed, that I was originally in. So you get into that trade, goes the opposite way. You don't have a good entry, message your entry up. So you end up losing again. And now at this point, you're just on tilt. So that's just an example of what we mean by you got to have a strong mindset and good psychology to be able to make this work. And the mindset that you have coming into the trading space is not the mindset that you're going to have once you've been doing it for a year, 2 years, 3 years down the line. You'll understand, but the only way to really understand is just getting in the charts and putting in the work. And if you can have the mental fortitude to get through at least 2 to 3 years of losing and hard work and learning, then you'll be able to make this work in the space. So it's not as easy as all these traders make it out to be, that you can make hundreds and thousands of dollars. These people have been trading for multiple years, going through multiple losses, losing multiple thousands of dollars. And you think you can just get on the charts and become a millionaire in a year? I mean, I've seen people do it, but I haven't seen many people do it. And unless your luck is on 100%, probably not going to make it work. So my goals for today, I've already traded this morning. I traded on NQ, I didn't trade this morning. I just watch the charts. I get on the charts. If I trade the overnight session, then I don't trade in the morning, but I just watch the charts move. But I did trade on gold during the overnight session and made about 1,500 across. They were on challenge accounts. I bought some more challenge accounts that I'm trying to get past. You know, just scaling my accounts. That's mainly what I'm doing. But I did make 1,500. Hopefully I can get the other accounts passed tomorrow, and that way I'll be able to have those expresses saved for when I need them. But yeah, today, man, I don't really have anything planned. We just got done with a snowstorm. There's still some snow outside, but the roads are looking pretty good. So I'm probably going to go bowling with my boy. Just going to chill and see where the day takes me, man. If y'all learned something from this video, just know that this is really the truth about trading. It's not going to be an easy game as people make it out to be. It takes a lot of hard work and mental fortitude to make this work. So yeah, if y'all found anything informational and helpful in this video, please make sure y'all leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Peace.